almost to Hollywood Studios. This is our Tuesday. Since there's no park hopping, we'll be spending all our day here. The park closes at 7, so we're gonna take it easy, but our first goal is to get the Hi Mickey Minnie. Our first goal is to get a boarding pass at 10. We're gonna go get our buttons. Every single year we always forget to get our buttons, so we're gonna get those. Look at our magic bands. We're entering Hollywood Studios. They're making people do a turnaround, and now we're on the side of the road. You can actually peek back there. There's a car there. I'm gonna turn this around, and there are cars parked on the side. So if you actually park a little bit up closer, there's sheriffs there. So I'm figuring that's why people are doing it over here, because they can't really see you. Because there's not a turnaround really to go this way. You have to go all the way around the resort by passing Pop Century and Art of Animation. But we're gonna be here. We're gonna try to be sneaky and just...
Don't do it at home.
Yeah, don't do this at home. But hopefully they let us line up at least around 8:45-ish. We'll see once we stop seeing cars do turnarounds, then that's when I feel we need to go and line up. But we'll check in later. Don't be fooled, guys. This is because everyone's trying to get in line for Mickey's Runaway Railway, which we will try to get on later. But the line is ridiculous. But for it being a pandemic, it is super packed. And I have heard that this is the most packed park out of all of them. But look, normally we have to like rush to Galaxy's Edge. We're gonna try to secure a spot at 10 o'clock for Rise of the Resistance. I gotta get me a shirt because I'm just wearing a plain Jane one. Let's see your shirt today. Let's see your magic band. It matches it. Super cool. This is my magic band. On the other side, you can see the child. So this is one entrance. This is the entrance opposite of Toy Story Land. Just listen as the music changes. We're back home. So they have these umbrellas out here for the queuing area. I'm gonna assume for the boarding groups, sorry. So much more different. Wear a face covering and let's stop to eat or drink. This is the entrance to Rise of the Resistance. Yes. So everything here you have to mobile order. Contactless ordering. I'm sure if you have cash, they won't turn you away. But hello. Relaxation station. See how they have these lines here? So I think eventually throughout the day, if you want to go shop at the market, they queue you here. They're not open, but this is the market. It's like we're in another world. They have the shops there. And then right there in the back, you could see the Ronto roasters. Probably no one is open, but for another 25 minutes or so. Look how cute. The attention to detail is amazing. So normally there's stormtroopers and Kylo Ren will walk around, even Rey. But because of social distancing practices, they are not walking around the park. They're more up in some high areas. Look, they really have the hand-built lightsabers. Oh, look at his Chewy backpack. Super cute. This is where Ronto Roasters is at. So we'll have to do a mobile order. Trying to get on? Here's the Millennium Falcon. It's so freaking cool. All right. We're probably gonna go ride this ride right here. I'll catch you later.
And welcome to Disney's Hollywood Studios.
So we were walking out the store and we were just walking by and this lady just comes up to us, a cast member, and gave us a free drink. How nice. That is the Disney magic.
Ronto wraps.
We're at Ronto Roasters. Gonna get our Ronto wraps. There he is, making them. All right, Vincent. Let's see if they're as good as they always are. Super delicious.
Amazing.
It's just as amazing as before. Everything I remember about it. Thank you. Cheers.
6 through 19.
We're almost there, guys. 6 through 19. I'm getting a brain freeze. But yes, cheers again. We will see y'all later. We're on the way in, guys.
Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear for launch. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Runaway gas system scan reengage.
Attention, all resistance personnel. Abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer is about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Entered the park around 9:30 and then got on around 11:30. 11:30, 11:40, and then we were able to get on. The ride was amazing, like one of the best rides that I can say Hollywood Studios has had in a while. We are currently in line for Tower of Terror. It's officially been 22 minutes. Posted wait time is 55 minutes. So we will see how long it actually takes to get on. So we're waiting because they're cleaning the ride. Are you tired?
Testing. Is this thing on? Can you all hear me way back in the back?
Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park. Hey, Mick and Mim. Gosh, they're with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Wow. Look.
I like that they use all.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Everyone to your positions. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent. You're all waltzing so beautifully together. Now, let's
And thanks for sticking with me. Hey, picnickers! Told you nothing was gonna go wrong.
Nothing can stop us now.
That's so cool. These are the only fireworks we get.
Hey, partners! Just like I always tell my pal Buzz, you've got a friend in me.
Toy Story Mania is probably, it says 40, but it's probably 20 minutes. We could try that one if you're down.
We already gotta get to.
The other one? There's a Slinky Dog. So we have a lightsaber that we're going to customize and build. Maybe Vincent will let me do it this year. Absolutely not, he said. There's still a line here for Slinky Dog Dash. So we're gonna go on the other side to get to Galaxy's Edge. Looks like Woody's lunchbox is open. And that was Toy Story Land. Okay, bye. Thank you.
Excellent. Welcome. We're just waiting on people more. As soon as they're here, we can begin. Welcome. I'm so glad you guys are joining us. Welcome, traveler.
This is Saavi's workshop here in Galaxy's Edge.
Let me be the first to say, welcome to our workshop. Please, have a look around. I know to some of you this might look like a lot of old junk, but I can assure you, some of it is new junk. There's all of us here. This is everything. You all have met my friends around the room, yes? Excellent. You may call me Kembe. We humbly call ourselves here the Outers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. You know, forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we do find, we bring here. So for someone like, I don't know, let's say a stormtrooper wanders in, looks around, and sees useless clutter. Well, those of us who know will look around and see priceless history. And, of course, preserving our past may very well be the key to ensuring our future. You all have heard of the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Excellent. We hear there's another, a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name?
Ray.
Thank you. Yes, Ray. A lightsaber. Wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is truly an art. The lightsaber is a reflection of its builder, with the force flowing between them. And today, each and every one of you will get to experience that very same connection. Perhaps the most important element of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the force, to magnify it. Some say that the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber itself. The color of your crystal will, of course, determine the color of your blade. And you may know some of these from some of the greatest Jedi heroes in history. Blue, wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now so we hear gray. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. Violet, rare and beautiful, like the lightsaber wielded by Mace Windu. Red, as we call the crystal of power. It is wielded by Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and Kylo Ren. But these are all stories of the past, and we're here for all of you, our future. So builders, indulge me. Close your eyes. Builders, open your eyes. Choose your crystal. Building a lightsaber is, of course, a very personal journey. However, should you require any assistance at all, the gatherers are here to help. Well then, let's go!
Welcome, travelers. My name is Ashley. I'll be helping you out today. Everyone, please start with your chassis and your kyber crystal. That crystal is going to go in the center of your chassis. Now, there is a pressure plate up at the top of that chamber. So if you add some pressure against it, it's perfect. The crystal should fly right in. Now, just be sure that that chassis is reflecting the same color of your crystal, and that your crystal can spin manually once it's inside. Perfect. Now our next step is going to be our activation plates in number 5. Like Kembe said, you have one set at the top, another set down there at the bottom. You're going to select one of those, and then so you can look at the inside. There should be a red or blue square on the inside of each plate. That will line up with the red and blue square that's on your chassis close to your crystal. You're just going to match those colors up, blue to blue, red to red.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined, you will be. It is time.
Master Yoda! He's right. It is time. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. And as you're ready, I hope this works. Activate! Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and the Sith before you. And like them too, you have the power to change the galaxy. Remember, builders, it only takes a spark. Please, deactivate your lightsaber.
So why did you choose that one?
I like the way it looks.
Let me see the detail. Nice.
Okay, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. So, that was exciting. I hope you enjoyed. Kind of tired. We might see if we run into a Calvacade. Hopefully we do. Hi, Minnie. Hi. That looks so cute. Oh. I've literally been waiting all day to see the Calvacade. Look, my chongos are not surviving today. One's like all to the side. But Mickey liked them. I hope baby John and Camila are able to see Mickey and Minnie. And of course, Sashi, Washi, and baby Audrey. But they probably don't know who they are. I cannot wait for tomorrow because there's going to be so many more Calvacades with so many different characters, especially Halloween ones. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Check you later. Say it.
Check you later.
Okay, bye.